Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel Z Design. Here we are back with our new tutorial. So today we are going to add a logo to t-shirt. Let's start the video. So don't change the blending options while adding logo on t-shirt, or don't increase or decrease the opacity of logo on the shirt. Just click on the logo layer and right-click and select the blending options. Down there you will see two types of slider. We will work on the lower one. On the right side of the slider, hold Alt key on the keyboard and click on slider. It will break into two parts. Now select the left slider and slide little bit. Don't slide till end. So here we get our logo and t-shirt in just few click. Tell me the next topic in the comments section. If you like the video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel.